Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw another food fight character, and this time I'm going to show you guys how to draw the Burning Marshmallow. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with his eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to just draw a line that kind of goes down, and then it's just going to come up and down like this. Then over here, I'm going to do that same thing. It's going to go the other way, and it's going to be a little bit smaller. So I'm going to draw a line that just goes down, and then it's just going to go up and then down like this. Then right here, I'm going to draw a big kind of oval shape for one of the eyes. And then right here, I'm going to draw another kind of big circle oval shape for the other eye. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little circle with a tiny one inside of it, and I'm just going to color in the rest of this. And then over here, I'm going to do the same thing. Just draw another one with a little circle in it, and I'm just going to color in the rest of this. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a big smiley face that goes all the way to here. I'm going to add a little line. And then I'm just going to draw a line that just goes down to here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes up and down, and a little line that kind of curves up to here. Then I'm going to add a little curved line right here by the mouth. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves around here. And then I'm just going to draw another one that curves over here, and then it's going to go down. And then I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve around for the bottom. Then I'm going to add a little line right here for the mouth, and I'm just going to draw a little line or two right around here just for some details. Then I'm going to add a little curved line here by the eye, and then a little one right here. And then I want to add the flames. So starting here, I'm just going to add a little line that's going to kind of curve around. And when drawing fire, you just kind of want to make sure that everything is kind of all over the place. You don't want them to be all the same on each side. And I'm just going to kind of curve it around here. And there you go. There is your drawing of the Burning Marshmallow from my creation, the Food Fight characters. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.